We're just at the Mader house, and today's the final day. It's getting handed over this afternoon. So just doing the final little touches. We'll have a quick look through. So this one's got a nice big 1200 wide pivot door. Stained grey timber, really nice feature. And it blends in well with the flooring, the staircase. Nice big wide hallway going through down to the main living room. It's got a double garage here. The clients have already started moving in, but nice high stud on that one so they can put a lot of extra storage in it. A little powder room down here. So a lot of extra storage in this house, which is great. It's like a wet room. It's a powder room there. And then nice big open plan living and kitchen area. So it's got an island bench top here. All nice and open plan, and it goes through to a butler's pantry. One of the best features of this house is obviously the nice big wide veranda. Their property goes all the way out to the paddock there, so they've got they're actually in a flood zone, so that's why they have to build this up off the ground on an elevated floor system. But yeah, nice aspect. And yeah, beautiful house, but you can see we've used the 140 wide toilet decking for the Merbau. It's a nice feature, and we've kept the decking at the same height as the living area, so it's seamless. But they've got the stacking sliding doors on either side, 2.4 high as well, a little bit higher. And then you've got 2.7 high ceilings in the downstairs area. So I'll take you through this way. So this is the butler's pantry that flows onto the laundry. Decent sized laundry, and it's got access out onto a little landing here. So yeah, good little layout. And we'll have a look upstairs now. So all this area here is all built-in cupboards and places for the TV, and it's like a little study area that's part of the living area. We've got the storage underneath the staircase, which is always handy. It's got like a little hidden door there. So, nice landing up the top, and then you've got the main bathroom here with a standalone bathtub, and it's like a wet room, so all the shower and the bathroom down one end. The toilet's just in here, and then there's 4 bedrooms upstairs. So they're all decent size. The fit out for the robes is getting done next week. Bedroom down here is the master bedroom. So it's got a nice little window seat here. It's got the big fixed glazing here to look out to the view, and here's the ensuite. And just a couple of little final touches to do on the walk-in robe as well. So yeah, 99.9% finished. In the next hour or so, they'll be starting to move in. That's about it.
Happy?